$8.9 million is what I made in the past couple of years, all from deving meme coins on the blockchain consistently, bro. I personally love deving because it's low risk and high rewarding, so keep watching because I will be ungatekeeping the method and showing you guys exactly how it's done, all in today's video. Now, I have a bunch of friends who used to trade meme coins every single day, okay? Now, obviously, in 2026, deving meme coins is the new method, but when I used to trade meme coins personally, bro, me and my friends, we used to buy a bunch of coins, but every single time, bro, we got completely liquidated by the dev of the coin. The coin will go up, okay, right after we buy in, and then we would be happy because we were up, but after a couple minutes, boom, the dev would take our money and he would exit his position. That's exactly why you have to be starting to dev your own coins, because now you're in control and you are the one that can do whatever the fuck you want with your own coin. Now, deving meme coins is still under the radar. 98% of people are still trading and the other 2% are all devs. Okay, so it's still really lucrative, and that's exactly why I am making this video actually, because I want to show you guys exactly how to make your first coins. By the way, bro, it's completely free to make a meme coin, okay? How to launch it on chain, by the way, on the Solana blockchain, and then how to cash out, and then rinse and repeat this method. You can create as much coins as you want. And by the way, bro, this is not a get rich quick scheme, okay? Maybe on the first coin you might make $100, on the second one you might make $20, even 5, sometimes 200, or sometimes 1k, right? Or sometimes it can even go viral and a bunch of people buy your coin and it could go to whatever the fuck, right? So keep watching, bro, you might learn a brand new strategy. And by the way, like I just said, bro, this video was made for educational purposes only. It's all for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please do not use this method. Just do your own research. Cap! And just for some additional information, right, I made a quick plan of what deving meme coins actually means. Now, first of all, there is no initial risk when it comes to deving, right? All you need is, you know, 0.3 SOL, for example, to launch a meme coin, but you are getting that back, okay? You control the chart, you decide what you want to do with the coin, yes sir. You don't need a big portfolio. Like I said, all you need is a couple SOL, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 SOL. Even $0 you could make a coin. I don't know. Alright, the more launches you do, the more chances you have of making money. For example, here on my 3 deving wallets, I had to launch around 800 coins to achieve this. Now I had to be really consistent over 30 days, okay? You have to be launching a bunch of coins if you want to see the maximum amount of results. Obviously for educational purposes only. The more money you, yeah, and also you make money from the Pump.Fun creator fees and from the supply. That is obvious. That's exactly why you have to be deving coins. Now, a lot of my friends, okay, when they want to start deving or other devs in general, they go to Pump.Fun to launch meme coins. Now, Pump.Fun is the most popular launchpad, but for devs, it's really fucking oversaturated because every single coin that you will launch will just flop or reach no buyers. That's because it's, you know, it's flooded and there's no fucking hope for devs here. But if you want to maximize your potential, you have to be launching your coins onto Raydium, which is basically like the next level of a Pump.Fun meme coin. When a coin on Pump.Fun reaches a $50,000 market cap, it goes to Raydium and it gets viewed by thousands of people, and this is where you can make a lot of fucking bread off the fees and off your supply. Now, to make coins onto Raydium instantly, you have to be using Coinlabs.fun to launch there, because this launchpad launches every single coin to Raydium, okay? It skips the bonding curve, it goes right here, and thousands of people are going to see your coin and potentially convert into actual apers in your coin. That's exactly how it works, and I would do an example. But yeah, here's how to make a meme coin. You have 2 different ways to make one on Coinlabs.fun, and it's up to you. The first way is to make a coin from complete custom scratch. Now, you need a name, a symbol, and an image, but to find those, you need a narrative. So, go on X, go on fucking Google News, go on Reddit, go somewhere, right? And look for a narrative to fucking copy and to make a coin out of. Yeah, find something viral, come back to Coin Labs, invent a name, add a quick symbol, add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is live. But the second method is personally my favorite one, and that's the copy trending coins feature right here. Now, all of these coins are going viral, they all have a good narrative, and they're all proven to attract buyers because, you know, they're relevant right now, which means if you copy a coin or multiple coins here, well, that copy is going to get a lot of fucking attention, traction, just everything. You guys will see. I will do an example. But anyways, now it's time for the fun part of today's video, and that is making a coin, okay, and seeing how much we can make. We will be copying a coin, by the way. First of all, make sure Phantom Wallet is connected, then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I like to go for anything. I'm gonna copy the one step coin. Click on copy the Raydium. Ignore the block from Phantom. Every single launchpad will get a block for the first time. Then click on proceed, confirm, and understand. Then click on confirm. And then the coin should be fucking copied in a sec. Boom. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page right here is where we create the Raydium liquidity pool. There's two easy steps. Token A, click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens. Token B is where you put the first buy as a dev, where you will buy some of the supply. By the way, you're not losing any money. You will get this back later once you remove the liquidity. So, okay, you just need 0.3 for the minimum. Put right here, you will get it back later. Click on create pool, wait for a Phantom Wallet to pop up, and then obviously click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, click on the refresh button, then scroll down and boom, the one coin is on live and your profits will show up right here. And whenever you want, bro, you can click on the refresh button to check your profits. And boom, right off the bat, we are getting traction because we copied a viral coin. We're up 120 bucks. Click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen to see the coin better. Just give it some time for it to load. Okay, let's fucking go. And as you guys can see, the coin is live. The chart might look a bit weird, but just give it some time. More people are going to see the coin on chain and they are going to ape in. Potentially, the more views you get, the more apers and the more market cap it increases, you know. This is exactly why I love diving coins. We made this coin for completely free, and now we're getting a bunch of people to buy in. 100 bucks right here, 68 right here. Things are looking good. Oh my god, 40, 70, things 67. Oh my god, okay, guys, this is exactly why you have to start diving, bro. Start right now. Coin apps that fucking fun. On top of Raydium is fucking overpowered. Now I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to go up and I will be right back. When I come back, we will see how much we're up. We're at a 13k market cap after a couple minutes. Now it's time to fucking cash out. Come back to Pump.Fun. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And bang, we're up 2.2k. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, then wait for a Phantom Wallet to pop up. And then click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you do it from start to finish. Now if I open my Phantom Wallet just for some quick proof, boom, 2k went in my wallet, which is not too shabby, bro. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Coinlabs.fun will be linked in the comments below or in the description. Even though so is down, deving still works. And yeah, bro, peace out and good luck.